She's just looking for more mints.
I know.
Baby wants that nipple. She's looking for it on Zip, too.
I know.
It's her leg, you goof.
She just nudged her back, though.
That baby get there. You gotta show her where to go and nudge your butt. Show her where to go. Nudge your butt. Show her where to go, Mama. You want to give her some mints and distract her from it? Bless you.
Oh, oh.
Did you get that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, goodness.
Come on. Come on. Oh, oh. Come on. Come on. So, okay. Yeah, she is.
Good, Mama.
Come on. There's a girl.